aking reflection, I chose exception 3, express provision of the law, which is about your transaction sa mga bangko like Unibank, BDO, Land Bank, ganyan, Card Bank 'yon. It's okay to provide your information or disregard mo muna yung privacy mo when it's required for those banks na nanghihingi sila ng information about you. It's okay to provide your information or i-disregard mo muna yung privacy mo kasi yun naman ay legal by law. So ayun, okay lang na ibigay mo yung information mo yun. Yun lang po, salamat.